Hi, everybody. I'm Alicia. How are your English listening skills? In this video, you'll have a chance to test them out with a quiz. First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready? 1A woman is asking a store clerk something at a bookstore. Which book does the woman want to see? Woman: Excuse me, I'd like to take a look at a book on that shelf. Clerk: Which book would you like? Woman: The one about cars. Clerk: One moment, please. This one? Woman: Yeah, that's right. Clerk: Here you go. Answer: The woman wants to see the book about cars. 2. A man and a woman are looking over a menu at a restaurant. What's the man going to order? Woman: What are you going to order? Man: The pizza looks delicious. I think I'll go with that. Woman: I had pizza yesterday, so... Man: Okay, then. What about the hamburger? Woman: Sounds good. Man: I'll go with that. Answer: The man is going to order the hamburger. 3. A man is calling the doctor's office. What time does he need to be at the doctor's office by? Man: Hello, how can I help you? Receptionist: What time do you close today? Receptionist: We close at 6, but please come in before 5:30. Man: Okay, thank you. Answer: He needs to be at the doctor's office by 5:30. 4. A boy is reading from his journal. What was the first thing the boy did today? Boy: The weather was great today. I went swimming this afternoon at the pool, and I went to a movie in the evening. I also studied all morning. Today wasn't bad. Answer: The first thing the boy did was study all morning. 5. A woman and a man are looking at a photograph. Which photo are they looking at? Woman: This is a photo of the soccer team your son is on, isn't it? Which one is your son? Man: This one. Woman: Oh, he's the tallest one. Man: Yep, he's even taller than the coach. Answer: They are looking at the photo of the soccer team, where the tallest player is the man's son. Which one is your son? Woman: This one. Man: Oh, he's the tallest one. Woman: Yep, he's even taller than the coach. A man and a woman are talking. When are they going to see the movie? Man: Why don't we go see a movie on Saturday? Woman: Yes, I'd love to, but I have to work a shift in the morning. Man: What time will you finish? Woman: I'll finish at 2 o'clock. Man: Then let's meet up at the cafe at 3 o'clock and see a movie at 4 o'clock. Woman: Okay. Answer: They are going to see the movie at 4 p.m. on Saturday. A man is talking with a salesperson at the mall. Which shirt is he going to buy? Man: Which shirt do you think is better, the white one or the blue one? Salesperson: Well, I think the blue one is better. It goes well with this gray jacket. Man: You think so? But it doesn't go so well with this red tie, does it? Salesperson: Well, that's true. Man: Okay then, I'll take the white one, not the blue one. Answer: He is gonna buy the white shirt. A man is at a hamburger place. Which meal is he going to order? Man, excuse me. Could I have the value meal, please? Cashier, sure thing. Which do you want? French fries or salad? Man, French fries. Cashier, okay. What will you have to drink? Man, Coke, please. Answer, he is going to order the value meal with French fries and Coke. A teacher is baking a cake. What did the teacher put in it? Teacher, today we're baking a cake. First, mix butter and sugar. Then add 2 eggs and mix them well. Add flour and mix it a little bit. Put it in the oven and bake it for 50 minutes. That's it. Answer. The teacher put butter, sugar, eggs, and flour in the cake. A man and a woman are talking. What are they going to do first? Man, what do you want to do today? Woman, I want to go see a movie. Man, okay. I want to watch the baseball game on TV. Also, I want to go shopping. Woman, the baseball game starts at 1 o'clock. Man, okay. So let's see the movie first, and then you can watch the baseball game. Answer, they are going to see the movie first. All right, then we'll go shopping in the evening. What are they going to do first? A man and a woman are talking. Man, what do you want to do today? Woman, I want to go see a movie. Man, okay. I want to watch the baseball game on TV. Also, I want to go shopping. Woman, the baseball game starts at 1 o'clock. Man, okay. So let's see the movie first, and then you can watch the baseball game. Woman, all right. Then we'll go shopping in the evening. Answer, they are going to see the movie first. A teacher and a student are talking. When will the student go to the teacher's office? Student, I didn't really understand today's class. Teacher, I see. What was confusing? Student, several things. Do you have time now? Teacher, actually, I'm a little busy. Could you come to my office in the afternoon? I'll be there from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Student, okay, I'll be there at 2 p.m. Answer, the student will go to the teacher's office at 2 p.m. A woman is having lunch in a restaurant. What is she going to order? Server, would you like to have coffee or dessert after the meal? Woman, what desserts do you have? Server, we have pudding and apple pie. Woman, actually, I'll just have coffee. Server, do you want cream or sugar? Woman, cream, please. Answer, she is going to order coffee with cream. A woman is waiting for a man. Where's the woman now? Man, hey, really sorry, but it looks like I'll be 30 minutes late. Woman, okay, I'll wait for you at the cafe. Man, cafe? Where is it? Woman, it's next to the bookstore. There's a bakery across from the cafe. Man, okay. Answer, the woman is at the cafe. A man and a woman are talking about summer vacation. What is the woman going to do on her summer vacation? Man, have you already planned for the summer vacation? Woman, not yet. I'm thinking about going to the sea or the mountains. A man and a woman are talking. What is the woman gonna do on her summer vacation? Man, I'm going to the beach with some friends. We're going surfing. Woman, sounds nice. Man, why don't you come with us? Woman, wow, sure, thanks. Answer, the woman is going to the beach with her friends to go surfing. A man and a woman are talking. What did the woman eat this morning? Woman, oh, I'm hungry. Man, did you eat anything for breakfast? Woman, yes, I did, but only a little. Man, what did you eat? Woman, I had yogurt and coffee. Man, that's not enough. You'll need some bread and fruit, too. Answer, the woman ate yogurt and coffee this morning. A woman is in a department store. Which floor is she going to? Woman, excuse me, where are the children's clothes? Clerk, they're on the 5th and 6th floors. Woman, do you also have baby clothes? Clerk, yes, they're on the 6th floor. We have a lot there. Woman, thank you very much. I'll go and have a look there. Answer, she is going to the 6th floor. A man and a woman are talking. How old is the man now? Woman, your birthday is really soon, isn't it? Man, yep, it's the day after tomorrow. Woman, how old are you going to be? Man, I'm turning 60. Woman, congratulations. We should celebrate. Man, thank you very much. It's kind of you to say. Answer, the man is currently 59 years old. A man and a woman are talking. How old is the man now? Man, I'm turning 60. Woman, congratulations. We should celebrate. Man, thank you very much. It's kind of you to say. A woman is looking at clothes in a boutique. What is she going to buy? Woman, wow, this blue skirt and that white skirt. I like them both. Clerk, the white skirt is really popular right now. The blue one's a bit expensive, too. Woman, well, that's true, but it suits me. I can't afford both. I'll take the white one. Clerk, an excellent choice. Thank you very much. Answer, the woman is going to buy the white skirt. A man and a woman are talking. How many people in total are coming to the party? Woman, the party's tomorrow. Who's coming? Man, well, the two of us, 2 friends of mine, and my pottery teacher. Woman, that will make 5 then. Man, oh well, my teacher is also bringing his wife. Woman, wow, a big party then. Answer, a total of 6 people are coming to the party. A woman bought a bed. Where is she going to put it? Man, your new bed. It's huge. Woman, yep, I can't put it by the door. Let's put it at the other end of the room. Man, shall we put it in the middle? Woman, no, let's put it in the corner. Man, okay, sounds good. Can you help me lift it? Answer, she is going to put the bed in the corner. Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.